Hi guys. In today's video, I'm showing you how to message someone on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless, and for this, we will use different methods. So watch the video till the very end, so you don't miss any step. The first thing we will do is, we will open our TikTok application. Once it will be open, take a look on the bottom right. You will see two icons, Profile and Inbox. From here, tap on Inbox icon, and here you will see your friend list. So if you want to message to your friend, then select a friend and write a message. Now let's move to the second method. Go back from here. And you can see the search bar icon on the right. Tap on it. Here, if your friend list is too long and hard to find a friend, but you know the username of that, then write the username of your friend here. You can see to my list. These are my friend as well as of my followers. So you can search for a specific friend and send a message. The last way is send a message to a random account. Go back from here. Just for example, I want to send a message to this one. So how can I do it? The process is simple. Tap on the profile icon. And just next to the following icon, you will see the option message. Tap on it. And you see the inbox has been opened. Now, I only need to write a message by tapping on it and write a message. So these were the several ways by which you can send a message to someone on TikTok.